What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Up Next. Man, I'm gonna come back with another video. Hey man, look. Shout out to that boy Vardo. Vardu, however you pronounce his name, no disrespect. Make sure y'all go like, make sure y'all go subscribe to him. Make sure y'all go comment on his. And y'all know, man, y'all know what we here for, man. Y'all know we here for the 8 minutes. Shout out to everybody who watching the video. Shout out to everybody who watched this video. Or if you got any questions, make sure you comment them down below. Answering all questions in multiple videos. You know what I'm saying? We come out with a whole lot of content, so make sure y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit the subscribe button. Go check out my shorts. And let's hop straight into it, man. Let's get into it. My Dreadlock journey to your transformation, crazy growth. Let's get it, man. Y'all know we here for the 8 minutes.
Style done to my hair.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
Did my mic? Say once. Can't see that boy Vardo.
Vardo. I said Vardo.
I ain't gonna hold you. You better be doing
tough.
a hair transformation video. I ain't gonna lie. My hair has been going through a lot of changes. No.
I ain't gonna cap, bro. I really feel like the reason why this shit jumped is because of your hair right now. Like, cause your hair right now, it's in like I don't know what's the infatuation. It's in like it's dyed, it's colored. You feel me? So I don't know what's the infatuation like. Far as like other people, I'm not saying like the people that's
right now, but
I'm not saying that the people that's getting their hair locked, like it's an infatuation with them with dyed locks. I'm saying like it just seems like a popular ass trend to get your hair dyed, to get your locks dyed. That's all I'm saying.
I went from this image right here to
that's not even locks, bro. That's braids. That's some Vardu braids.
Okay, you did.
The fuck?
Alright, so as y'all guys can see, December of 2018, my hair was like this. I had waves, yes.
Somebody.
Okay, my hair was bigger hair. I had waves.
Bro, your hair is still big, bro. The dreads don't change your head, bro.
I don't know why I was living it up, but I was living it up. You know what I'm saying? Why wasn't I going my hair?
You was living it up because you was forced to live it up, nigga.
Alright,
we all was.
A year later, a year or two later, this is when I really started growing.
You was forced to live that shit up, nigga.
I still had the little boosty fade. You know,
had to rock that motherfucker.
I already had the little plan in my head. I was gonna try to get it free. So I'm gonna skip probably like a year because I feel like my hair wasn't really doing.
Yeah, you gonna skip a year because you chopped that motherfucker out. We know what's going on.
So I'm really just fast forward until when
you know what's going on.
That
nigga had that chop.
So, alright, so this is gonna be the next picture.
Damn.
My hairline was pushed back crazy. He's trying to that little Haitian barber. I ain't gonna lie, he was pushing my joint back to the maximum capacity. Like, bro, that's a whole inch of hairline right there. But so this is when I really started sponging my hair. Like, but I do not recommend y'all with the sponge out hair. Like, no cap, do not do that. But this is when I started sponging my hair. I really wanted to get that. You know what I'm saying? Not tough look, but like I was tired of having the
I don't know if I would have showed doing my boy. God damn.
I really started growing my hair.
You knew better. You knew better though.
As I can't see,
you knew better.
I had the chain on, know what I'm saying? I had the little chain on.
You got the slaughter game, the fake slaughter game chain.
Alright, that's cat. That bitch is a little fake. I ain't gonna lie. That was a big ass chain right there. Hey,
big ass slaughter game chain.
I didn't really have like a high top. I didn't have a high top, but I had like I don't know how to explain it.
You had a mid top. Mid top.
No hair on the side. It was kind of like a blowout, but like not as much hair on the side, which is kind of weird. So I started really just growing out the sides, trying to like make my hair even out. That's what we was going through. And then let's fast forward probably like a few months.
Y'all know we here for 8 minutes. Y'all know what's going on.
Alright, boom. Perfect. This picture right here is actually crazy. So this picture right here is when I got my first style done to my hair.
Ain't no fucking way, boy.
This is April 27th of 2020. This is when
that's a goddamn braids, ain't it?
Bro, I had the ugliest twist on earth. Like, these are actually hideous. But
I mean, no twist, my G.
Process, like, bro, it was quarantine. I was like, bro, nobody's gonna see my hair, but I might as well just start growing it out from now on. So,
yeah,
I did that.
That was smart.
That was probably one of the best decisions I made in my life. Like,
that was smart.
Somewhere, so I started.
For sure. That was smart. I started before that. I should have waited. If I knew the world was gonna goddamn end and restart.
Short hair is just not commendable, dog. So do everything to your hair, but this I recommend doing twist or braided back, not plaits like what I have in my head. That was not.
God, that shit is not it.
That's your hair. Alright,
I don't even know why you did that to yourself.
Farther, you know what I'm saying? Another picture.
Holy crap.
Hair, bro. I'm telling you, do not do this, dog. Like, if you're growing your hair out, do not do this. Like, I recommend doing everything but this. Get it professionally done to where.
Gee, what was you doing for the last
like, you know what I'm saying? I was really
3
determined,
years,
like,
nigga?
I
3,
was
4
locked
years,
in,
nigga.
like nothing was gonna stop me, no cap. So that's what that was.
You talking about
You
you
know what I'm
locked
saying?
in,
Fast
nigga.
forward
We
a little
see you
more,
on the video game.
and
Look
the
like you
boys
playing
can't see, this is the
Fortnite.
hideous stage. Like I wouldn't even call this the ugly stage. This was the hideous stage.
Damn,
This is the
G.
stage where I would just wake up, play basketball, go back to sleep. Like I was not trying to do YouTube. You know what I'm saying? I was not trying to do YouTube at all. Like my hair was too ugly for that. No cap. So yeah, that was that. Now I ain't gonna lie.
Going
this
out
picture
bad.
right here, bro. I feel like I was looking good. Like.
Oh, hit on by your dirt ass, but stink ass, but.
Basically, I had the braids in, and I just took them out and I picked up the root. That's when I started doing that little process, the twist, pick out process. And as I boys can't see right here, these the pictures that came out. I think I posted these on Instagram when I first had my little Instagram going on.
Yeah, I mess with the fro, like the fro in the cut. Hold on, bro.
Why are you gay?
That's what I was doing, you know what I'm saying? The little pick out method.
Bull crap,
But
bro.
this is a little better picture of my hair. This is when the sides are growing out.
I ain't gonna cap you down, though.
Now they're growing out, as that boys can't see.
I for sure know you took your time with this, bitch.
Let me show y'all boys when I really started getting the twist doing it myself, you know what I'm saying? From September 6th, 2020, I was doing my own twist, you know what I'm saying? I was good feeling myself. Ain't nothing really to talk about that. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna fast forward all the way.
Why would you do your own twist?
Months, 'cause I feel like my hair was really doing
That's what I'm reacting. I'm reacting to another video today. Like, motherfuckers like
this video
twisting their own hair.
December 16th.
It's just not me.
What I said a few months. And as I can't see, this is the first time I was able to put rubber bands in my hair. Yes, my hair.
I know a
was
nigga
able to
was
rubber bands together, which
nigga was
is
happy.
Not crazy progress, but me being able to do a style on my hair was crazy.
That's
progress.
crazy
That's
progress.
in the previous freeform video. If y'all boys
You
wanna
put
see
that bitch in the ponytail, you know you gonna feel like this
twist your
shit.
hair and put them rubber bands. The rubber bands basically stretches your hair out. And makes
Man,
it
look,
feel
man,
out
don't put them in no damn rubber bands, man.
Right now, 'cause I
That
do
shit
want
strip your hair.
And I was doing that wicked twist in my hair. Yes, I was twisting my own hair. I had no
Niggas
clue
be
to twist my
saying
hair. My mom
anything.
was not trying to twist my hair for me, so
I was saying the
twisting my
same
own
shit
hair,
like
no
a
cap.
year or
It was
two
what I
ago.
was trying to do.
But
I
nah,
was
man, you
doing
know
something
better, you
about
do
it. It
better,
looked
man.
good. It paid off, no cap. You know what I'm saying? Show y'all boys what I had to go through. Actually, no, I'm gonna show y'all boys a little thing that slowed me down. So this is a few days later, which is I had to get surgery on my stomach. I don't really want to speak on that right now. Yeah, I had to get surgery, and y'all boys can't see. My hair was jacked up. Like my hair was actually jacked up. Like it was the middle of me twisting my hair. I had to get surgery. I was in the middle of twisting my hair, as y'all boys can't see. Like the front looks kind of semi-decent, but the whole back of my hair is like afroed out because I had blow dried it trying to twist it, and I had to get surgery in the middle of that. Like it was horrible. So yeah, that happened. And
But you look like you just got damn.
that
That whole video just throw the whole vibe
I'm
off.
a very determined person. Like if I have something locked into my head, I know I'm gonna do it. So I did not let that stop me. You know what I'm saying? So as that boys can't see, January 6th, I was back on my grind. No cap, I had a little twist out going on. As that boys can't see,
It be right here, make you wanna.
a little vibe to my hair. Like it wasn't nothing crazy, but it's a lot of progress from what I had before. No cap. So say I'm gonna put some more pictures up of me in January. I feel like January was like my hair.
Oh, now the nigga showing all the pictures and shit like that. When the nigga got all the cuts and shit.
My hair without having to look hideous with it. No cap. So say, this is
Nah, man, that's the perfect time to, you know what I'm saying, take y'all growth videos. And hey, man, if y'all are thinking about growing out locks or dreadlocks or whatever, I really advise y'all to like document the process, like videotape the process. You feel me? So you can do this and you can gain you a quick 100, 200,000 views in 4 months. You feel me? Off of a video that's describing your journey. You get what I'm saying? So shout out to everybody out there who's doing the dreadlock journey videos. That's the real reason like I react to these, man, to, you know what I'm saying, give other people the spotlight, and also it gives me content at the same time. It gives me things to talk about as well. But yeah, man, shout out to y'all. I appreciate y'all, man. First link in the description, man. Make sure you go copy your Up Next Satin Line beanie. Make sure you go copy your Up Next multi-purpose beanie. Another satin line beanie. All right, first link in the description. I'm gonna catch y'all folks later, bro. Peace.